So my question to you is this. Are you happy to have me back? What is that all about? What are you talking about? What is it that you are talking about? Are you looking at my camera? Are you attacking you? Is she? She's a mean Indian ringneck, isn't she? You're mean, Elphie. Yes, you are. You leave those poor magpies alone. Come here. What are you doing? What? 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 Tickles. You missed your tickles. Did you? Get off that. Get off my camera. Yes, you. Get off my camera. Yes, you. What you doing, cheeky bird? Boo. Ready? Boo. 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 Go away.
What, Poppet?
Poppet. So now you're out. Come here. Come here. That's a good bird. Yes. Yes. Oh, hello. Greetings, new bird. Hello, new bird. What's this? What? Little new bird. Hmm? I think you've been handled before, haven't you? Hmm? Ow, though you bit my nose. That's not a nice greeting. Would you rather be with the other cockatiels? Is that what you're wanting, is it? Come here. Oh, don't be like that. Come on, up. Good bird. There we go, you can see him now. So Poppet, I am pretty sure I saw a happy smile yawn then. Was that, you happy? You happy? I think you are. And Elphie would be very happy to eat you, but you're not going to, Elphie. No, you're not.